Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for listening me. My name is MD Miradul Islam. I was born and raised in Borishal. I have completed my BSS and MSS in social work from Titimir College, Dhaka. Along with my academic background, I have completed professional training in email marketing and Microsoft Office from 10-minute schools, which helped me improve my communication and reporting skills. Professionally, I have over 6 years of experience in warehouse and distribution management. I am skilled in ERP and SAP systems, inventory control, vendor coordination, and VAT documentation. I always try to make difficult tasks simple through new approaches, and I love to learn new things to improve my efficiency. I believe my combination of education and practical experience makes me confident to take. Currently, I am working as a distribution executive at Kansai Neulag Paints Bangladesh Limited, where I manage end-to-end depot operation including stock control, SAP ERP transaction, vendor management, and timely deliveries. I ensure proper implementation of FIFO, LIFO method for inventory control. Earlier, I worked as distribution officer at Prime Pharmaceuticals Limited, where I managed warehouse operation and ensured compliance with company policies. My key skill includes inventory management, SAP and ERP handling, MS Excel, and report preparation. One of my significant achievement is successfully maintaining accurate stock records and reducing operational errors through system updates and regular reconciliations. In the next 5 years, I see myself as an experienced and skilled supply chain professional working in a reputed company. My goal is to gain expertise in warehouse management, logistic operations, and ERP system. While continuously improving my knowledge, I also want to contribute to the company's operational excellence by introducing new ideas and process improvements. Ultimately, I want to grow along with the organization and take on more responsibilities in the supply chain or warehouse management field.